All right, so here we go. Complex numbers, day 4. So on day 3, we learned about conjugates. And now we're going to use those and application or problems dealing with complex numbers. And the way we're going to do that is by writing fractions with complex numbers in standard form. A complex number is in standard form when I does not appear in the denominator, and it is written in the form of some a plus bi. So similar to standard form when we dealt with radicals, no radical in the denominator, we had to multiply to get rid of those. Same thing with complex numbers. We're going to multiply, if we have an I in the denominator, by the conjugate. So here we have a fraction, 1 over 3 plus 4i. We want it in standard form. So we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of 3 plus 4i, which is 3 minus 4i. And by doing that, we're going to notice something pretty unique. First of all, 1 times 3 minus 4i, pretty easy, 3 minus 4i. In the denominator, if we FOIL this out or use the box, whichever method you prefer, we take 3 times 3, that's 9. We take 3 times minus 4i to get minus 12i. We get 4i times 3, which is plus 12i. And we get 4i times minus 4i, which is minus 16i squared. So there's nothing to simplify in the numerator. That's going to stay 3 minus 4i. In the denominator, our minus 12i and plus 12i cancel. And then we're going to use the fact that I squared is negative 1. So we have a minus 16 times negative 1, which is the same as 9 plus 16. Which is 25. Now, technically, this is not in standard form. To be in standard form, we need some a that doesn't have an I with it. Well, that's our 3 over 25. Plus or minus b times I. And so that's the way we want it written. Not that the previous way is incorrect, it's just standard to write it as a split fraction. So that's one way, if you have just 1 over a complex number. What you could have is a complex number over a complex number. So 1 plus 4i over 5 minus 12i. And so we're going to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. Which would be 5 plus 12i. And we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that. In the numerator, 1 times 5, 1 times 12i, 4 times 5i, 4i times 5, sorry, and 4i times 12i. In the denominator, 5 times 5. Remember, because of the conjugate, our middle terms, the 5 times 12i and the negative 12i times 5, are going to cancel out. I'm not even going to write them. And then we're going to have minus 12 times 12, which is 144i squared. Anywhere we have the I squared, we're going to change the sign because I squared is negative 1. So in the numerator, we would get minus 48. In the denominator, we end up with plus 144. So combining our like terms in the numerator, negative 43 plus 32i over 169. So negative 43 over 169 plus 32 over 169, and we just put the I on the side. So much fun. So for your assignment, you'll be writing complex numbers in standard form. Have fun. See you next time.